This was our first dance, in this car. Now it's time for the last dance.
He always said, someday I'll restore it. He never got the chance.
This car is family. Klaus was my distant cousin. We restore it for his Margot and granddaughter Emma's wedding.
Easy now, just a little further.
Watch the clearance on the right beam. Okay?
Okay, hold it there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, there it is, the original M130. Ah, it's rough, Fritz, very rough, but it's all there.
The salt air destroyed the floors. We fabricate new ones. Proper German steel.
This wiring harness needs a complete overhaul. And the panel gaps here are inconsistent. Make sure you document the chrome pitting as well.
He wrote this before he died. She'll read it when the car is ready.
Klaus couldn't finish his dance. We will finish it for him.
Mamma mia, guarda qua.
This side is clear. Are you ready to pull the main harness?
Yeah, the clips are brittle.
Pass me the small pry tool.
Here you go. Fritz. Mein Gott.
My darling Margot, Monaco tonight. The Pagoda runs beautifully along the coast. You are more beautiful than the Mediterranean. Forever yours, Klaus.
Margot, we found letters from Klaus, hidden in the door from your honeymoon. I never knew. Bring me there. I need to read them in his car.
It's good to see you again, Margot.
Klaus, I'm here. He hid his heart in this car. Someday our grandchildren will ride in this car. This pagoda will carry our love forward through generations.
Slow.
Steady. It's seized but intact.
Gut.
Opa wrote this? In the car you'll arrive in on your wedding day. His love will carry you.
From Klaus's 1971 honeymoon car. Restore them perfectly, it's for his granddaughter's wedding.
Look at that. Absolutely perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Woohoo!
Yes! That's the frame done. We are 70% through the work with 2 months to spare.
I can't believe it. This is amazing. Original perfection or honeymoon memory?
Ask Margot.
It's her dance.
Which horizon blue? Perfect 1971 factory. Or the faded blue from your honeymoon photos?
The honeymoon blue.
Wunderbar.
Mein Gott. Frau Klaus?
Klaus, I see you. I see us. 1971 again.
Oma, it's beautiful. Opa's car lives.
1 month to the wedding. We'll be ready.
Klaus is smiling.
Finish the dance.
Today, Klaus, your heart goes home.
Easy, lower it slowly. Yeah, just a hair to the left. Hold it. It's home.
For Klaus and Margot.
It lives! Oh my God, it lives! Resurrection complete. We did it!
Dettagli impeccabili e questa storia commovente.
Un lavoro fatto con il cuore.
Assolutamente, merita il massimo dei voti.
Special Recognition Award for Historical Preservation and Love. The 1971 Mercedes 280 SL
Margot, congratulations. It's lovely to see you. You look wonderful.
Opa Klaus brought you here.
I feel him, Oma. Dearest Emma, though we never met, I know you. You are love's continuation.
Klaus and Margot danced in 1971
Emma and her love dance today. The car remains. The dance continues. Love never rusts.